Hi everybody, and welcome to this flip through of this pink Christmas little envelope journal. I'm pretty sure in saying that this will be the last one that I make this year. I've rather outdone myself this year with Christmas. But it works on the same premise as all the other ones that you've seen. It's held together with this satin ribbon, which winds around a couple of times and goes through an eyelet. And that's the very front there. Bit of fabric binding down that seam just to support it. And it opens up, and then we've got a big, well, I guess it's a tag really, let it snow or not. And this, oh, that's so pretty. It's really, really pretty journaling card. And then we've got an envelope that says Merry Christmas there. And inside the envelope we've got a journal card with a tag on it. Now I've got it out, it doesn't want to go back. So that's that, just slips into there. Then we've got a journaling card here and a big tag. And they're all backed. All the ones in the front and back are backed with coffee stained paper. And then we go inside the journal really. And this is a flip here. It comes out and got a gingerbread man on there because I love gingerbread men. A bit of fabric here with Let It Snow, and all of this is on a tag which is glued down there, so it's a little tuck really. And we've got a couple of pieces of ephemera in there, journaling cards, a small one and a larger one in there. Then here we've got this nice big pocket, merry and bright, and we've got a big tag, says Merry Christmas. Oh, a bigger tag even, I forgot about that. Big tag with a ribbon on top, and that goes in there. That tag, journaling card, and just a little journaling card, but it's so pretty. I just wanted to include it. Then in here we've got a big pocket, and this is the start of the journal proper. Journaling card, little journaling card, once again just too pretty to leave out, and that one as well. It's really nice. And then there's all this journaling. I mean, there is a lot of journaling. Enough, I would say, to see you through, you know, the very Christmas period. Then here we've got a pocket, and I've collaged a couple of pieces onto there. The big tag at the back with the bow on says Joy and Peace. Journaling card, that cutie little postcard. They've all been inked around on the back but left plain, so you can write on them very easily. Yeah, and this flips out. Then here we've got a tummy tuck, and we've got a couple of journaling cards in here. I love that image, it's gorgeous. And just got a bit of ribbon down there. It says Christmas. So then in here we've got a tag, a journaling card, and a little tag. A little journaling card, should I say, with a cup of hot chocolate. How nice does that idea sound? And here I've just stuck on this image of the deer, and it says Christmas time. And that folds up, the front one flips in, and then this is the reverse of the journal, and it says Christmas there, and you can see the fabric spine. Then we've got a to and from, should you wish to include that. If it's a gift for somebody, you might want to fill that in. If not, it's perfectly good journaling on the back. A journal card, the reverse of the envelope, look at that lovely collage paper, a journaling card, and a giant tag. So there's lots of journaling to be had. It's a really pretty little journal, this. I don't quite know what came over me, but I can tell you that this is the one and only pink journal for this year. And depending which order you're watching these in, this is the last Christmas journal for this year. I've made rather more than ever I intended. So there's no, if you miss out on this, don't, There's no point contacting me or anything. You've had it. You've had it till next year, I'm afraid. So there we are. That's that. So those are the 2 journals that are on offer today. Thanks for watching me. See you soon. Bye.